Hello fam, and today we are going to hard set Nokia 105 with a free tool. So first, as you can see, the phone has a password, so we need to hard set it. We are going to use a free tool called Avengers 2 version 1.8, which is free. Download it, link in the description below. So first, open the tool, go from main to spectrum, drag, and click on enter drag. Then you need to connect the cable. Don't press any key, connect just the cable. After that, the phone will detect and it will show you the logs. As you can see, phone it has come with an error, so we need to do it again. Just remove the cable. Need to remove the cable again, then click on enter drag again. Click enter drag and connect the cable. So wait for the phone to enter drag mode. As you can see, drag OK. So after that, you will be done. Then you need to click on factory reset. As you can see, the process is done. So after that, just remove your cable and power on the phone and wait. I'm powering on the phone. Keep pressing. Yeah, the phone is turning on. Yeah, as you can see, it's asked for date. That means the phone is resetted. Just set the date and click OK. Now you can use the phone. See, the password is completely removed. Thanks guys, that's it. Subscribe, comment and share. If there's anything, just ask in the comment box, like the links and the likes. Cheers.